St. Andrew Baywatch is a local nonprofit. They've been operating since 1989. We have a couple different programs. We monitor water quality in the bay. We do living shoreline restoration, grasses and classes programming with Bay County school children, and seagrass restoration, oyster and scallop restoration. We go out once a month. We collect water samples all across the watershed, and we analyze that data to make recommendations to the county on water quality. We actually take out Bay County school students to help monitor. So they collect water quality samples for us, and they also help with our living shoreline restoration projects. So we pride ourselves in providing the community with hands-on environmental education experiences. We are a small nonprofit, and we are volunteer run. So without volunteers, we couldn't do all the programming that we do. So we use volunteers for shoreline restoration, and we love to have more volunteers to help with our water quality. If you have a boat, that's great. You can go out and collect the samples once a month and bring them back to us. If you don't have a boat, we could still use you. So we do have some boat captains who don't have a crew. So we could put you with them, and if you're visiting and you'd like to volunteer, just give us a call. We have a nursery bed at our office that we could have you come out and help take care of that nursery bed. We also have other opportunities, monitoring seagrass and monitoring living shorelines, so we have lots of volunteer opportunities. And while you're out, you get to look at dolphins and seagulls and pelicans and anything else you might see out there. So bring some sunblock and a lunch, and sometimes you could even take a swim while you're out there. So you can have fun while you're doing it. So if you're interested in helping, you can send us an email at sabw@standrewbaywatch.org or give us a call at the office, 850-763-4303.